When it comes to gaming monitors, it's more affordable than ever to upgrade to a large screen without sacrificing performance. And who doesn't love to get a little size upgrade? That's why today we're unboxing this 32-inch monitor from our friends at LG.
Tori, do I really have to stay down here the whole episode?
No, Nico. I'm just gonna do an episode of Unbox This all about size upgrades without being a little bit taller.
Well, my back hurts. Ah!
Let's unbox this! This full HD screen has a 165Hz refresh rate, all the connectivity you need, and a truly impressive amount of display colors. It's also compatible with the most essential gaming features like NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync, premium and mountable VESA compatibility. So let's get to it. Let's unbox this. Okay, start with. I always get nervous when I unbox monitors. I don't want to slam them around. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is a fresh box. This is looking like our stand. Oh, sweet. Okay, cool. Oh, I already love this. I love this packaging already. This looks like it's also part of our stand. Looks like we have our HDMI cords. So many little treats in here. Alright, this is more pieces for our mount, it looks like. We have our product registration. Looks like your electronics manual. Any information you might need. Assembly instructions. These are going to be important later on. Mount pieces and cabling. Oh, I can't wait to take apart this styrofoam. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the monitor itself then. God, where do I start with this? Ugh, okay. I always just get so nervous with these because I don't want to break them. Okay. Come out of the covers. The LG monitor itself. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, that was so smooth. Wow. Hold on. I also already saw this that I want to peel. Go. And that's all that's in the box. It's just your mount, your cabling, plus the monitor itself. So let's put this together and talk more about what this baby can bring to you. Now that it's out of the box, I see something that we can peel. Can I do it all in one piece? Oh, we're saving this whole thing. This is our little souvenir now. The LG 32GN50RB UltraGear gaming monitor displays in full 16:9 HD resolution. This screen is just a touch under 32 inches and you get a 178-degree view and angle both horizontally and vertically. Hamburger, hot dog. For those who are going to be using the monitor for projects like video editing, the VA panel display offers better contrast and more crisp dark colors than other types of display, especially if you need to tilt or adjust your monitor. And it comes with, get this, 16.7 million display colors. Every image that appears on this screen is gonna look amazing. But we're not compromising for all you hardcore gamers out there. This display is NVIDIA G-Sync, G-Sync compatible, has AMD FreeSync Premium, and a 165Hz refresh rate. If you grew up gaming on, let's say, a 32-inch TV, you're probably used to around 60Hz refresh rate. meaning games running at faster than 60 FPS really didn't display any differently on your screen. Now, you can get affordable 32-inch gaming that'll really rock any first-person shooters or games that require precision down to the frame. Let's go ahead and put that to the test. Bring in the games! Let's go ahead and put this to the test. Let's unbox this. Because we're unboxing. Already. This is such smooth gameplay. Look it. Our soccer ball fits in here. Our little backpack can go. Oh. I love already how this display looks, especially with this game unpacking, just because the colors are so pastel. You get to see how pretty the colors look on this monitor. While we're playing this game, I might as well tell you about connectivity-wise, you've got an HDMI port, DisplayPort, and a headphone jack. Also, this stand that we're playing on here, it's equipped with tilt adjustments and it's compatible with a 100 by 100 millimeter VESA mount for anyone looking to hang their monitors up on the wall. But this is how I like to play my games, with my neck craned towards the TV while my TV faces the cameras. And with all these features, you may be surprised at just how affordable this monitor is. If you'd like to do some unboxing at home, you can check out this monitor in the description below. I'm Tori, thank you so much for watching, and while you're there, why not subscribe so you don't miss any of our episodes? I'm gonna keep unpacking. Bye!